Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Butler in Missouri on the Stryker 447 hpc2. I'm calling this the Butler Beast. It's walking on through. We got your upgraded power cord here as well, ready to go. We're going to start our power all the way down. We're going to have to pull these little guys out. Go to the big ones here. So we're going to have a 100-watt slug in average. So there's 2 watts all the way down, 16 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 74 bird, 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 150 PEP. Butler, the Beast is ready to come to you, man. I appreciate it. You got wise and got Truckerized from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.